It's weird. We got Halloween there. And then further back, we got Christmas, so way over there.
Christmas Town.
Christmas Town. Halloween Town.
When two holidays
Christmas Town.
collide.
All right.
That they do that
Hey,
here.
hey, 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 everyone, we're back. Back for another construction update at Toy Story parking lot. And we got Dee, the builder, here. And she's about to tell you what's going down.
Yes, so I see a lot more green gated going up. They have the green awning up there going on.
Take some fencing
All
down.
the cement is in for the trees.
There's the gates. Look, they put some new gates. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So they have the gate continuing right here. They put up the silver bars for the green bars over there to build the gates, and I see they're continuing.
Oh, remember there were those trees we saw last time? Those are the trees we saw last
They
time.
already covered them up.
Yep.
Yeah. They're all done.
Ooh, new security going down.
They have more of the green colors to continue the fence, the green gate.
Oh, I know, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Coming along
That'll
nicely.
be the divider for the people between the parking lot and getting into that.
Oh, that's what you think
area.
That's what those green poles are for?
Yeah.
So that'll be a gate, and then people can walk up to that.
Because there's a cement loop in there for the buses to come in and then loop
Oh,
out.
yeah.
Green
Ooh.
poles were for dancing.
And the green poles are for dancing. So I guess maybe this will be a gated too. Maybe you're just going to go in through here through security. And then once you enter that area, that's it. You're in.
And then to the left, they still have the white and green buildings. See between the wall over there?
Oh, yeah.
See the bathrooms.
Yeah, and that's behind, that's going to be behind the wall. Way over there, look. Way over there, behind that first wall. Could be. Very well could be.
What are the poles for dancing? Insert showgirls clip.
No, we can't do that. I can't push showgirls on here.
I need one of these.
Pills? You mean you really are taking drugs?
I need them. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so.
I can't play. Maybe we're like a guy dressed up doing the pole dance. I'll try to find that. But construction is going well. It's going far, and I think we're gonna see this coming up like pretty soon, like within.
Couple weeks, maybe.
You think so? They're going pretty fast.
Maybe in a month. Yeah, maybe in a month.
To the end of this year, maybe then we'll be using it. And like Juan said, we're gonna try to go live from the security
Yeah,
lines.
because I'm sure they're still going to want to paint lines and
Close your eyes, security guard.
Close your eyes. Don't look at me. So pretty much that's cool.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Well, from D and me, KIDULT TV, and Juan, and D the builder. Say bye, D.
Bye.
Bye, guys. We'll see you on the next construction update. Say bye, Juan.
Hi, Rosa.
There you go. That's what I was looking
Hi,
for.
Rosa.
That's what I was looking for.
Bye, Rosa.
Bye, Rosa.
Bye, Rosa.